Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you how to unlock the Galaxy Note 9. This will allow you to use it on any GSM carrier worldwide, and I've partnered with the unlocking company to show you how to do this. Now the first thing we need to do is get a little bit of information from the phone, and I currently have this using AT&T. If I want to use T-Mobile, which is what I want to switch it to, I'll need to unlock it. So the first thing we need to do is get the IMEI number. We go to the dialer to do that and dial *#06#. That will immediately open the IMEI and serial number dialog. We'll grab the IMEI, and then we need to go to the unlockingcompany.com so that we can get our PIN to unlock the phone. So let's do that now. I'm at the unlockingcompany.com, and the first thing we need to do is select our phone manufacturer. So we'll scroll down to Samsung, and then we'll select our model. We'll scroll down until we find the Galaxy Note 9. Here's the Galaxy Note 9. Now we'll click Unlock Now. Now on this screen, we need to select the country we purchased it from. So in this case, it's the United States, and then we need to select our carrier. So for me, this is AT&T. We'll go ahead and click Next. Now we can pay via PayPal, and once we pay, we'll get our unlock code via email, and then we need to put it into the phone to permanently unlock it. So let's do that now. Once you get your email from the unlocking company, we'll need to use the PIN that they sent in order to unlock this phone. So the first thing we need to do is turn it off so we can swap the SIM card. So we'll just power it down, wait for it to power off, and then we'll swap the SIM card over to the T-Mobile one that I'm going to use. But this could be any GSM card. So let's do that. We'll pop this one out. Here's the AT&T card that was in it. Here's the T-Mobile card that I'm going to use. I'll put that in here now. And we'll power the phone back up. Once the phone reboots, you'll be greeted with this dialog, and you'll need to put in that PIN that you received from the unlocking company. Now be very careful when you do this. You only get 10 tries, and then the phone is permanently locked if you don't enter it correctly. So just make sure that you're very accurate when putting in the PIN. So let's do that now. Now that the PIN is in place, we just need to hit unlock, and it should unlock the phone. So let's do that now. Now it says network unlock successful. It'll go to the home screen, and we should be good to go. And in order to test this out, let's make sure that Wi-Fi is off. So Wi-Fi is off. You'll see here, if we check the network settings, we should be on T-Mobile now. So we'll go to our connections, we'll go to our mobile networks, and you'll see we're on T-Mobile. So we're on T-Mobile, data should work. We'll go to the web browser here, and I'm on my website. Let's go to home, and it should go to the next article here. So it should work fine, and it's loading just fine. So now it's permanently unlocked, and you can use it wherever you'd like on any GSM carrier worldwide. I'll link the unlocking company in the description below. I've been using them for years, and they seem to do a good job at unlocking just about anything I've given them. So let me know what you think about them, though, in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.